Hey guys, it's Rod from Proof66.com down here in Dallas, Texas. Today we're going to show you how to make a Tequila Sunrise. I don't know what the weather's like in your area of the world or the U.S., but it's starting to warm up down here in Texas. Low to mid 80s here today, and Tequila Sunrise goes very well out on the patio by the pool. So ingredients today, this is a pretty easy drink to make. I'm using a Gran Centenario Añejo tequila. It's got a little age to it. It's got some oak influence as it ages, and the Añejos and extra Añejos are more of a whiskey lover's tequila. It's got a lot more flavor profile to it. But you can certainly use any type of tequila that you want. Throw in a mezcal, get a little more smoke in it. It's all to your taste and your like. Second ingredient is just plain old orange juice, and then we've got some Rose's Grenadine. There's a couple different types of Grenadine, but you're going to throw a lot of orange juice in here, so there's no reason to spend a lot of money on the Grenadine. Go ahead and get the candy type Grenadine. A lot of the recipes will tell you 2-to-1 orange juice to tequila. Probably recommend going a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 even if you're not a huge tequila fan, or if you don't want to taste that liquor alcohol from the tequila flavor. You know, that's kind of what I like in a Tequila Sunrise, and a lot of others will too. But if you're a little afraid of that, don't be afraid to throw some more orange juice in there. The dilution ratio tests that we've done in the past, 8-to-1, you start to lose what you're mixing in there in terms of the alcohol. 12-to-1, it's completely gone. So completely up to you guys in what you want to do in your own bar. Today we're going to do just a simple 3-to-1 ratio. So we'll start with tequila. Put a little ice in the shaker. And I'll just do an ounce of the tequila for this one, since we've got a little smaller glass here. And we'll do 3 ounces of the orange juice. This one goes up to 2, so I'll do it twice. So we've got our tequila, we've got our orange juice in the shaker. And it's not going to take much to shake this up. All you're trying to do is just chill it down a little bit. Just give it a few shakes. Now this one, you can go ahead and dump everything in there. You can put the ice and everything in. I like to just strain that out so you've got no ice in the way when you're looking at the presentation or when you're trying to stir it here in a little bit. Now there's a couple different ways to do this in terms of the way you put the Grenadine in, as well as the glass. Where the recipes that you're going to read on the internet, they're going to tell you to use certain glasses. I wouldn't get too hung up about that. As long as it holds liquid, you're going to be fine. But for a Tequila Sunrise, what you're wanting is for that Grenadine to show up in the bottom here, and you'll see that just in a minute. But you don't have to do this. You don't have to pour it in on the backside of a spoon, which is about what we're ready to do. You can mix it in the shaker with it. It's going to turn a nice rose color right out of the gate. But for this one, we're going to show you. You just take a regular old kitchen spoon. And like I said, you can just pour this in carefully. You don't want to swish it around too much if you're looking for the effect. But we're going to take the back side of the spoon and set it against the back side of the glass. And just very slowly pour some Grenadine in there. It's going to go down the edge and start to collect at the bottom. Take that out. And I'll hold this up here so everybody can see what the Grenadine does is it starts to collect there. Now, you can leave it just like that and drink it. Some recipes will say go ahead and let it be. Start sipping on it. Others will say give it a swirl or two. And you don't want to get too crazy with it. But if you get a little bit of swirl there, you'll notice that it starts to take that rose-colored, it might be hard to see on the video, but at home you'll see it, and that bottom layer there will start to turn a little color there. And that's it. You can garnish it with a cherry, you can garnish it with an orange slice, anything that you want, any type of fruit that'll complement the drink itself. So pretty simple. We've made a picture of these out on the patio. and we've had a pretty good time with it. That's it. I'll get the recipe out on the website. You can visit proof66.com/videos to watch this video, as well as all the other ones that we've created so far. And happy bartending. Thanks, everybody.